Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a fun sketch of King Shark. So for those that are not familiar with this character, he's from the DC Comics universe, and he is, like his namesake, he is a shark, and there are many different stories revolving around King Shark, so I am not going to necessarily touch upon his origin, but what we are going to do is we're going to draw a fun sketch of him, and I think that it will impel you to check out more about the character. So what we're doing is a basic, you could start with a basic oval if you like, and then put this shape in place. So we got the mouth going, so the head going, and then put a oval here as well for the bottom of the lower jaw in this case, and bring that over like that. Now a standard shark head also works with this guy, but some extended and contorted features really help. So that is the head, and once we have done that, we are going to determine a shoulder area right here. He's very huge, and we'll put in the chest area right there. So massive pecs and traps, massive delts, and massive arms. So everything about him is big, exaggerated, and that is the other arm right there. Now it's a very, if you ask me, like, it's a very simple design, but one that has to have certain features, and one is that fin on his back. Now there's, as I said, there's so much to this character, which is, well, kind of like he's like a secondary character, but there's a lot, like, going on when we consider his origin and everything else. I know that he was initially primarily in this particular, with some variations, he was created by Carl Kessel for DC Comics, and he's been villain to a host of let's say, like characters, from Green Lantern to Aquaman. Now Aquaman being an enemy would be a natural thing for somebody as King Shark, but again, as I said, and he's been a villain even more recently on the Flash show, so he is a core, I guess, character when it comes to varying between the good guys that he chooses to work against. And again, at the odd time, he's also been known to be an anti-hero. So with the Suicide Squad, he became kind of like a good guy. So now we've done a video in the past in which we laid out animal teeth. You could check it out, because it's very important to have that same technique going for King Shark. But if you do not have the time, I will explain that what we need to do is, now the only difference is that we did evenly laid out teeth on a particular beast there, not any particular animal. It was just any animal with sharp teeth. But with King Shark's case, we need to know that you could either draw standard teeth of a shark, which would mean that there's like at least more than one row of teeth. So and you would have to like work a lot to get all those sharp angled teeth in. Or you could have fun by drawing 1 or 2 rows, but the idea is to go around like that. So I'm putting these cones here, and if you want to have more fun, you could extend this a little more here, and that is the skin. And we could make it more menacing by adding in all those rows again behind that. Or you could extend his mouth and draw bigger teeth. Now, it's up to you, but I've like just gone somewhere in the middle. So I think that it actually works that way. But of course you could again make this much more extended if you wish. So I've just gone on and put in all these tones into King Shark so that he can look something like this with the pencil. And as I mentioned, that this character has all these different versions and you should check them out. We might do a hammerhead version of King Shark. I'm not even sure if it's the same King Shark, but does not look like this guy. Maybe it is this guy. And do check him out. Very interesting character, basic design but very cool villain. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.